Hi, my name is Kate from the More Than Borderline blog over at HealthyPlace, and today I want to talk about how to make friends. So my husband and I have recently moved to a new community where we don't know anyone, and that's been a little bit challenging for me because I'm an inherently social person, but I struggle a little bit with anxiety and with avoidance. So if I feel like something is going to be difficult, I would rather just not do it, which means a lot of the time I isolate myself and then start feeling really bad because I feel really lonely. So I've been taking some steps to try and get out of that mindset and to make new friends where we're living. So the first thing that I've been doing is just putting myself out there. I think it's really difficult as an adult trying to make new friends because you don't have these like common circles like school or work. Because I work from home, I don't have a workplace. So I just joined a bunch of like local Facebook groups where I'm living and just put a message out there. Hi, I'm Kate. These are my interests. I'm looking for someone to hang out with. And then I got some messages from people who wanted to be my friend. The other thing that I've been trying to do is just keep things low key. So I get really overwhelmed in groups. So I'm just upfront like, hey, I want to hang out one-on-one or in a really small group. And so in that way, I can focus on the one person, they can focus on me, and that makes me feel more comfortable because it's a little bit more intimate and there's a little bit less pressure. And the last thing that I've been doing is just trying to take it easy, like not getting so obsessive, like, oh, I need to make this person my friend or I need to impress them, and just chilling, relaxing, trying to get to know the other person and let them get to know me. So those are a few of the tips that I've been using to help me make new friends in a new place. So I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you do when you need to make new acquaintances and friends?